I hope everyone is good. Welcome back to BMS class. Shall we start our class? Yes. First we'll see what is agendas today. So today's agenda is recap. You know Nana, what is recap? Recap means which I gave in the previous class sums. Now I will discuss. Okay. Then already we have completed chapter 4. We'll start chapter 5. At last I will give home task. Okay children. So previous class I gave textbook page number 63 and 64. So everyone take out your textbook page number 63 and 64. KNC children, take out your BMS sheet and be ready everyone. Okay. So already I explained what is page number 63 first one. Everyone, I hope everyone gets the answer. Yes. Now I will explain what is page number 63 sums. Once you have to check whether you are getting correct answer or wrong answer. So first read the question children. If you count from the left them, 4 children A, B, C and D are standing side by side. C is to the right of the D and to the left of the B. Okay. So first write what question is there. C is to the right of the D. C is to the right of the D. D ki C is right. Okay. Then left of the B. Left of B. Okay. So C is right of D. Yes. This is the right side. Yes or no? So when you are standing like this is the right side. This is left side. Okay children. So C is right of D. Then left of D. C is right of D. Then B is left of C. A is at extreme left. So A also total left. Okay, this is the process. So what is the first question children? Who is in the first place? See and say who is in the first place? Yes, A is in the first place. So 26th answer is A. So then 27th question. Which is in the second place? So which is second place? This is first, second, third and fourth. Yes or no? So the first place is A. The second place is B. Then what is the 28th question? Who is in the third place? Tell me children. Everyone gets the answer I think. Yes? So C is third place. And who is in the last place? Who is in the last place children? Yes. D is in the last place. So 26th answer is A. 27th answer is B. 28th answer is C. And 29th answer is D. Okay. So then directions from 32, 33. A is older than B. A is older than B. Okay. First, see the textbook page number 63 children. Second one, 63 page. Second one. Okay. So 63 page. Direction from 32 to 33 children. A is older than B. Okay. A is older than B. B is older than C. C is older than D. E is youngest. Youngest means smaller. Youngest. And F is the eldest. F is eldest. So eldest means bigger, youngest means smaller. So A kanna B is elder, B kanna C is elder, C kanna D is elder. So D kanna F is elder. So here totally who is eldest? Yes, F is eldest person. Okay. So here read the questions children. Based on above information, answer the following questions. Okay. So 38th question is, if we are arranged in descending order, then who will be in the first place in the group? So descending order means what, Nana? Yes, big to small. Yes or no? Descending order means write the numbers from big to small. Yes. So here biggest person is, who is the biggest person? Yes, F. So 30th answer is F. Okay. Then 31 question. If we arrange in ascending order, when who will be in the first place among the above group? So ascending order means small to big, right? Descending means big to small. Ascending means small to big. Here smallest person is E. Yes. So youngest person. Youngest means smaller. Eldest means bigger. So bigger means F. Younger. Smaller means F. Sorry, what is this? This is E. So 31 answer is E. Okay. Then open next page, page number 64. If we arrange in descending order, when who will be in the fourth place? Who will be in the fourth place, Nana? Which order? Descending order. Here first person, then second person, third person. First person, second person, D is second person, C is third person, and fourth place. First person, second person, third person, and fourth person. Yes or no? So F is first person, D is second person, C is third person, B is the fourth person. Okay? So 32 answer is B. Then if we are arranging ascending order, when who will be in the fourth place? Ascending order means small to big, right? So first E is smaller, then A second place, B third place, and C is the fourth place. Okay? So 33 answer is C. Okay children? Did you understand here? Youngest means smaller, eldest means bigger. So here to here descending order, down up to down descending order, ascending order, down to up descending order. See children, like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? This is descending order and this is ascending order. Ascending order means small to numbers big. Descending order means big to small. Okay? So 30 answer. Elder, biggest person is F, then smallest person is E, and then descending order, fourth place is B, ascending order, fourth place is C. Okay children? Then direction for 34 to 37. Page number 64 only, 34 to 37. The question is, A is taller than B but shorter than C. Okay children? A is taller than B. A is taller than B. So for example, B size is like this means A size is like this. A is taller than to B. Okay? A is smaller than to taller than to B. A is taller than to B but shorter than to C. So C is very big here. Did you understand children here question? A is taller than to B but shorter than to C. Okay? So here this is B size. So A is taller, little bit taller, but A is smaller than to C. Okay? This is the question. Now 34th question is, who is the shortest amongst them? Shortest person. So who is the shortest person, children, here? Yes, your guessing is correct. B is the shortest person. Then who is the tallest amongst them? Tallest person here. Who is tallest person, children? Yes, easily we are identifying. Yes, C is the tallest person. And 36, identify the correct order of arranging the heights B and C in A, B and C in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. So here 4 options are there, Nana. So which option is correct? Which option is correct? First smaller, B, then second A, then C. So this is the 36 answer. So this option is there in the B option. So B is the correct answer. Okay. Then identify the correct order of arranging the heights of A, B and C in descending order. Descending order, opposite. So 37 question. C, then B, then A. Okay. B greater than A greater than C. Here C less than B, B less than A. Okay. So 37 answer is B option is the correct answer. Okay, children. Then now chapter 4 is completed. So everyone take out your diaries. One, check your answer, children, whether you are written correct answer or wrong answer. Okay. So then take out your diaries. First, SSD children, take out your diary and write today's date and day. Read textbook page 65. Read textbook page number 65, children. Okay. KNC children. Read given page. Okay. So SSD children, read textbook page number 65. Okay. Chapter 5, directions and positions. So next class I will start chapter 5, children. So KNC children, your class teacher will send the paper. So you have to read that one. Read properly the directions and positions. And next class we will discuss remaining sums. Okay children, thank you. We will meet next class.